Hello students, let us recap some of the important points of class 7 NCERT science chapters. A very few chapters only we have selected here. One is acid, bases and salt, and then electric current and its effects. Already we have done the revision. Here we are only going to have recap of some important topics. So in chapter acid, bases and salt, first thing that you have to know is what are acids and what are bases. Acids are the substances that taste sour and bases are the substances that taste bitter. Few examples I'll just say. Acids, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and few acids which are found naturally are citric acid, lactic acid, which are found in some of the food substances. Bases examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. Now indicators. Indicators are the substances which help us to identify which are acids and which are bases. In that we have two types of indicators, natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Examples of natural indicator are turmeric, China rose petals and litmus. And examples of synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Next, neutral solutions. As we know, acidic solution and basic solution. Then what are these neutral solutions? Yes, these are the solutions which do not show any change in either red litmus or blue litmus. So that means they doesn't show acidic nature nor basic nature. Next is effect of natural indicators on acidic and basic solutions. We'll just go point-wise. First I will take litmus. As you know, litmus is found as red litmus and blue litmus in markets. Red litmus shows no change in acidic solution, whereas in basic solution it changes into blue. Blue litmus shows change in acidic solution, that is it changes to red, but for basic solution no change. The second is turmeric. Turmeric is a natural indicator which shows a color change only in basic solutions, that is it changes it into red, whereas in acidic solution no change. China rose petal is again another example for natural indicator which changes the color to dark pink for acidic solution and green in basic solutions. Next is the effect of synthetic indicator on acidic and basic solution. The two examples I have taken here is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein shows no change in acidic solution but changes pink in basic solution, and methyl orange in acidic solution red, basic solution yellow. Next is neutralization reaction, which is a very important point of this chapter. This reaction is a reaction between acid and base to give salt, water and large amount of heat. Neutralizations in everyday life. As for example, I'll take indigestion. You all might have felt or experienced indigestion. That is due to the excessive acids produced in our stomach. For that, we can have some antacid tablets. These contain base which will neutralize the excess acid in our stomach and we are relieved from the problem. Then likewise factory waste. The factory waste usually contains excess acids which they just flow into water bodies, which is very dangerous for the aquatic life. Instead, if we are using the base, neutralizing it and then disposing, it is safe for the aquatic life. So those are the few examples I have told for the neutralizations in everyday life. So I hope students you are clear with the important points of this chapter and I hope you well good for the exams. Thank you.